Today we're going to have race at truck, and we're going to win against this. And this was the car. It looked like one car looked like this. It's a monster one. One car looked like this. It's a racing car, dirt one. And this is what the finish line looks like. The finish line. And inside of this is what is this. And if my mommy's get some more cars. I'll show you in a second. And this is what's in there. And we have to get it. Let me show you the other cars my mom gets. There's another racing car, more dirt one. Okay. There's another one, my brother's one. And this is my, when I was 10 years. I think it was 3 years. 3 years, I think. This was my 3 years car. And this is my 6 years cars. This is my 3 years car. Another one. This is my, I don't know which year was this one. And this is a 4G one. This 3 years. And this one is 3 years. Okay, we're gonna start up the race. I will wait a second here. I'm going to set this up. And put this there. And done. I'm going to have a race. And we're going to have a race. Okay. Ready, set, go. Oh, this one made it. This one made it. And the other one does fall down. The dirt one. This man gets this one. And need this box. He's the winner. Put them up there. I can't fit in. I'll put them like that. And the losers are down here. Something down there. The losers are here. Here, 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 here. Okay, this guy makes this. Gonna open up this thing, and he gets the gift. Hi everybody, I make sure you have a good time.